Hi guys, it's Bahaya and I'm here with a room tour, and today we are viewing a 2-bedroom single suite with 1 bath. Right here I'm showing you the kitchen. So the kitchen is basically my favorite part. That's where my food is, and the best part of it is that we get so much cabinet space that you and your suite could split up space. So I have this side. I use the refrigerator mostly because I always meal prep, or I'm always doing something that involves me to eat. This is another closet space for any other things you and your suite mate want to put in. Here we have the living common room area. I don't really use it, and my suite mate barely doesn't use it either. I use it sometimes when I have a guest over, but other than that, it's not really into use. So some rooms don't have this, only usually single rooms or quads. Over here we have the bathroom area, and this is like our vanity area, which in case someone else is in the bathroom using it, you can use the sink area if you need it. Sink is really nice, comes with like a deep sink. Here is the bathroom part. Very spacious, very open, a lot of hangers and hooks. They let you use or bring a shower head, so you don't have to use that one. And the water pressure here is really nice. It gets really hot, but you don't have to use the shower head that they provide you. Yeah, nothing really special about the bathroom, just the bathroom. Really like it. Use it a lot when I'm doing my hair and makeup. Here is my room. Okay, so my room's on the left side as soon as you walk in, right near the bathroom. Really big, really spacious. It faces the back of Building B, which is near the student center, kind of, as you can see in the window. And it comes with chairs, a desk, dressers, a lot of space for your makeup, skincare, anything you need it for. 3 big drawers. I didn't think all my clothes would fit in there. I just pushed them together because I just wanted to make it a bigger area for me. A lot of wall space. Here is a bookshelf. It was on the desk. I took it down, just made it another storage area for me, and basically another desk area. Here is the closet. A lot of space. Fit like all my clothes in there, surprisingly. But yeah, here's a slower version of the full room. I would say it's really spacious, especially for someone who has a single. I really like it and enjoy it. I'm always in it, so yeah. And there's other layouts you could do with it. But thank you guys for watching, and can't wait to see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.